First I'm gonna mix red and yellow. We made the color orange.
Yeah!
Did you know that you can mix colors to make different colors? Wow! Today we're gonna become mixing masters. Are you ready? Let's go! We're first gonna add the water into our measuring cups.
Yes, we need to add 50 mLs. So here we go. Just hold them there. Hold them, guys. Hold it. 50 mLs. Okay.
Good?
Yes, the next one is 50 mLs. Whoa. And then the last one is 50 mLs.
Nice job.
Perfect. 50 mLs. In there.
We're gonna add 1 drop of blue. You did a good job! I'm gonna add red. Now I'm gonna mix the red. The last one we're gonna do is yellow. Okay. First I'm gonna mix red and yellow. We made the color orange.
Yeah! Whoa, Ding Ding, what color did you make? You made green. Let's see. Wow, look at guys, we made the color
I
green
made the color orange.
and orange.
Yeah! Guys, you want to make the next color? What do you think it is? Let's go to the top line. I'm being first. Good job, Tintin. We're gonna mix red and blue. What color would I make? No, that's leave it.
Huh?
Wow, we made the color purple. That's nice. Good job. So far, we made the following colors. We made orange, green, purple, and blue, and dark blue. Now I'm gonna mix blue and purple. What will it make? Isn't that purple? The dark. we made dark purple. What color are we gonna make next? We're gonna use yellow. We're gonna mix 3 colors. We're gonna use the color yellow. We're gonna use yellow, red, and blue. Mommy, take coffee. I think I make the color brown. Susan and me both made the color black.
Wow!
We have orange, green, dark blue, purple, and brown, and black. We mix all the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. We became a color mixing master. Guys, which one was your favorite color? Mine was the orange, the purple, and the dark blue. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and down below to watch more science videos with me, Armine, and my sister, Adina.
Let's make all the colors. See what happens when you mix all the colors. It looks green. But let's see outside. How about we take it outside and see what it looks like in the sun?
That's a great idea. I'm gonna get mine then.
All right, let's take it outside. What color do you think you have?
It is
Aqua. What about you, Adina? What color do you think you have? Aqua too? Like an aqua green? Let's see.
aqua, I think.
It is like an aqua teal kind of color.
Bye, friends. See you next time.